Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney Kmetz, a nutrition educator out of CCE, Chenango County. And today I'm going to be making a chili, but a different type of chili. So this is a beef and bean chili verde. Super quick and easy, and it doesn't take too many ingredients. I first want to preheat my pan and get this ready to go. As you're preheating your pan, this is a great time where you can chop up your vegetables. So you're going to be having 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, you can do any color of choice, and also 6 cloves of garlic that are chopped up. Okay, so this has been preheating a little bit here. I am going to throw in my ground beef now. So the ground beef is about 2/3 of a pound here. I'm just going to throw in the whole pound. It'll be a little bit easier. Break it up. And this is raw meat, so never touch anything afterwards. I am going to touch my hands as soon as I'm done with this. Here, all of this is going in to be cooked. So I do have my 1 onion here chopped, and then also my 1 bell pepper that is chopped. And I have my 1 can of tomatoes, 14.5 ounces. I'm going to put right over top of this. And then also the 6 tablespoons of garlic. And we are going to let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until we know that that beef is all the way done. And then we can move on to our next step. Okay, so it's been about 8-9 minutes. I did switch my pan because it was definitely going over. So I thought, why not pull out my stock pot? I think it'll be a little bit easier. So this is still boiling right now. I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of cumin in here. And you basically want to stir this in. It takes about 15 seconds until you smell that fragrance. And then what we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding in either 1 can of a green chili, or a salsa, I should say, not chili, or an enchilada sauce. So I was not able to find green salsa in the grocery store. So I have 1 jar of the enchilada sauce. And what we're going to do is just let this come to a boil. And then after that does, we're going to just stir this constantly. So about 10 to 15 minutes, we're just going to bring this to a boil, stir it constantly. And then from there, all we have to do is add our beans. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes now. I'll give it one more nice good stir. And then the last ingredient is our beans. So the recipe calls for a kidney bean or a pinto, but honestly, kind of like anything else with this recipe, you really can kind of change it out and make it your own. So I do have 1 can of kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained very well. And here we go. We have a quick and easy dinner. The beef and bean chili verde served up for dinner. Beautiful, beautiful color. I think I might actually serve it with a batch of batter buns, a recipe from my Aunt Sharon. So thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a great night. Take care.